Hi, my name is Emmanuel Yemelkwe and I want to welcome you to this page. However I came to this page, congratulations. I assure you that what I'm going to learn today will be of immense value and probably be life-changing. If you are looking for an easy way to make reasonable money on the side or full-time, working from home, you definitely came to the right place. Now more than ever, it has become very important to have a second source of income. Depending on one source of income, whether it's your salary, your store, or whatever business you're involved in, is a very risky proposition right now. We all know that starting a traditional business is very time-consuming and capital-intensive. It requires a lot of physical things like buildings, salespersons, furniture, license from government. That is why today many people are seeing online business as a better alternative and are searching for it and turning to it. Online business does not require a lot of capital to start. You do not have to work long hours. You can work alone, and most importantly, you can work from the comfort of your home and earn life-changing income. One of the biggest advantages of online business, however, is getting people to look at your business or to join you. Many of us, I know, do not know how to recruit people, and this is a very big stumbling block when it comes to venturing into online business. If you're like one of us shy people, today is your lucky day. Why? Because over the past few months, I have worked very hard to develop a system that will do the recruiting for anyone involved in online business. The system is actually a very good clone of a widely successful foreign one that I'm involved with. I took the system apart, reverse engineered it, and then adapted it to the Nigerian environment. The system is designed in such a way that it will do all the work for you, while you keep all the commissions that are generated. Yes, you had me right. The system will do the work involving getting people to look at your business and to join you, but you will keep the commissions. This system is designed to do two things. One, to convince people to look at your business and to join you, and two, to increase the money in your bank account. With the system I'm going to show you, you don't need to create a website, you don't need to create any product, you don't need to send emails and follow up with people. You don't need to budget your friends and family members until they avoid it like a plague. You don't need to deal with anything stuff. And you don't need any fancy internet marketing skills to make the system work for you. Why? Because everything is already done for you. Yes. The system does all the telling and all the selling for you. It follows up with those who did not join immediately and eventually close the sales for you. You don't have to talk to anybody. You just send in the link to the system and the system will do the rest for you. The system will do the work for you while you earn multiple commissions. I'm going to prove it to you on the next page. So if you'd like to get more information, it's instantly available on the next page. So put your best email down below, just under this video, and I'll see you on the next page. Thank you. See you.